Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect iPhone to Nissan Murano. Start by turning on your Murano and enabling Bluetooth on your iPhone, then select the vehicle name in Settings. Follow the PIN confirmation on both screens and grant contact and audio access when prompted. If Apple CarPlay is available, try a USB cable for a stable connection. I'll walk you through common hiccups and quick fixes in a friendly, easy way. Begin by opening Settings and tapping Bluetooth on your iPhone, then make sure the Murano is discoverable from the Infotainment menu. Tap the vehicle name on your iPhone and confirm the numeric PIN that appears on both the phone and car screen. Grant permissions to share contacts and messages so calls and texts work hands-free. If pairing fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on and retry after restarting the car system and phone. If you run into trouble, start by restarting your iPhone and cycling the Murano infotainment power. Look for iOS updates on your phone and check Nissan service or settings for firmware updates, which often fix connectivity bugs. Swap to a known good USB cable or another port when CarPlay refuses to appear, and remove old paired devices to avoid conflicts. These steps usually clear most pairing headaches quickly and simply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.